everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume using your earbuds SOUNDCORE P40i. You have to start by open SOUNDCORE application and now click on your earbuds here. Then scroll down and you need to find controls. Then tap on it and now decide you want to use the left one or right one earbud. Tap the best one for you. So then decide which function you want to use: single press, double press, triple press, or press and hold. I'm going with a single press, but it's up to you, you can change something else. Tap on it, and now for the left one I want to volume down my music, and for the right one I want to volume up. I just tap on it, and now we can hide this application and play some song. Okay, we have it. So if I press one time at my right earbud, I should increase the volume. So I press on it, and as we can see at this widget, I did it. To lower it, press one time at the left earbud, and as you can see, we also lower the volume. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!